Welcome friends. This is the next part of this video series on the topic of multi-threading in Java. In the previous video we saw that how can we create thread by implementing runnable interface. Now let us assume that there is a bathroom without any administrator. So there is no rule that who will use the bathroom. Now imagine the difficulty created in such scenario. The people outside the bathroom with higher need may start fighting to use the bathroom first. To cope with such situation, we need some kind of rule so that the resource, that is our bathroom, are used by the threads, that is the people standing outside the bathroom, in a systematic way in a particular order. And in a similar way, imagine about a railway track shared between several trains, but the train use the track one by one. Station master is responsible to allow one train on each platform, and other has to wait until the platform is free and available for others. Let us take an example of ATM that is shared by many ATM card holders. So all the card holders are in a queue outside the ATM. One of them is accessing the ATM. That means he or she has taken the lock or control over the ATM. Rest of all are waiting for their chance. When the ATM user releases the ATM counter, the next one will get the lock on the ATM machine. In this example, ATM machine is the shared resource and the card holders are different threads who are sharing the ATM machine in mutually exclusive manner, that is one by one. So now we need to cope with the problem that occurs during multi-threading if there is a resource shared by more than one thread. In the next video, we will discuss the same problem and its solution with a small program. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to be in touch with your favorite channel, Java Mitra.